Welcome friends, I'm Helal, and in today's video we will see how to purchase an Alfa PTE subscription using Bkash. Let's get started. Step-by-step guide. First, open your browser and search for Alfa PTE on Google. Go to the Alfa PTE website. Click on the dashboard option. You will see fields to enter your username and password. Log in using your credentials. Alternatively, you can log in directly using your Google account. I will log in using my Google ID. Once logged in, click on the Buy button at the top. You will see subscription options for 10 days, 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days. Choose your preferred plan. Click on the Process Payment button. You will see different payment options including debit card and Bkash. Select Bkash. Enter your Bkash number. A 6-digit OTP code will be sent to your mobile. Enter that code here. Click on the Confirm button to complete the payment. Once the payment is successful, your account will be upgraded to Premium. Now you can enjoy unlimited practice and mock tests. That's it. Happy learning!